Clarence, thanks for being here and making the time. Welcome.
Thank you. Glad to be here.
I was going to ask if the restaurant industry is just, I don't want to say has a future. I mean, obviously it has a future, but how much smaller a piece of the pie is it going to take? When you hear people talk about inflation, they're saying, yes, it's at the grocery store, but man, it is really at restaurant bills. And that table service is just, it's a tall one to overcome in an environment like this.
Well, let me really start with the good news, because it has been a very difficult past couple of years for restaurants. But the good news is that volumes are back. Traffic in the restaurants is there. There's tremendous pent-up demand. I think one of the things the pandemic taught people is how much they value restaurants. So certainly there's a future. And you're seeing significant volume increases. And in the restaurant business, volume allows you to deal with a lot of challenges. And right now, there are still significant challenges when you look at inflation.
I wonder, though, about the following dynamic where people at first are so excited just to get back out to that restaurant. And then after a couple times, they go, you know what, I don't want to pay $70 or $80 or $90 or whatever it is for this experience. It's just, it's just too bad that inflation is what it is. I mean, when, we were talking to Bob Bassani yesterday, joking about paying $32 for some, pesto and pasta. It's an experience. It's wonderful, but is it sustainable?
I think it is. I think dining out is baked into lifestyles, and that's been true for a long time. That's continued to be the case. And the good news in this environment is that some of the inflation is driven by significant increases in earnings. And so people are seeing earnings growth, and that helps them deal with it. But I think that experience is one, again, that really the value of it got reinforced as it was taken away over the last couple of years.
Is being bigger the best strategy in this market, in this economy?
Yes. It's the best strategy because you have the resources to respond. And so restaurant labor is about a third of all restaurant costs. Labor costs are escalating high single digits, mid to high single digits. Food costs are also about a third, and those are increasing high single digits to even low double digits. And the way to respond to that really involves investing. You've got to invest in your workforce to try to drive down turnover. That helps a lot because turnover is expensive. You have to invest in technology so you can be more efficient from a labor perspective, and so you can respond to customers and their increasing desire for really seamless technology-driven solutions. And the biggest players have those resources. The biggest players came through this pandemic better than everyone else.
Clarence, what do you think the biggest changes are likely to be from this whole pandemic and inflationary period?
I think you're going to see restaurant models change significantly. And so pre-pandemic, there was a digital transformation going on that accelerated through the pandemic. And what that means from a model perspective is you're able to run your operation with fewer people. And so that will certainly continue as we look at not just inflation, but also availability of labor as people think about alternative industries and careers. And so that's one that for sure is going to be there. It'll touch the off-premise for sure, but even the on-premise experience will be affected by it.